Okay, so the next section, we'll go over interior and exterior options, which should be pretty much universal between the Promaster and the Ford. So if you select the interior option, you'll have stanchion poles, HVAC, wall-mounted L-tracks, and flooring options. As you click on the stanchion poles, you can select either side or rear, and then when you click it, it'll ask you how many of those particular ones you want. So again, if I click 2 times the 75 is 150, and that adds it in. Okay. If you don't need stanchion poles, we can uncheck that and look at the available HVAC options. HVAC options are unique to Ford or Promaster, so I will show you that on the Ford version, but you can select the full HVAC ducting package here below for $3,200, or you can select the standard extended one for $600. Wall-mounted L-tracks are listed here, and these are specific to the Promaster, as you can see. You can select any of those that you need and they add to the price, or you can select the various flooring options that are set up. There are extended L-tracks that are made specifically for the 3500 extended if we were to use one of those vehicles. And again, as you select those all populate. And then we'll jump into the exterior, which is not that many exterior options. The exterior options have full body paint, trim paint, tow packages, and then the rear flip-up steps that are available on the Ram ProMaster ambulance can also be utilized on these vehicles. So if I select those, they increase the price. These last two options obviously are unique to the ProMaster and will not show up on the Ford version.